In today's video, we'll solve question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Fourth question is, which is greater? Here they are given some fractions. Whether this is greater or this is greater, we need to find. You know the meaning of in mathematics, that is multiplication, right? So we'll operate here multiplication between these two fractions, 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. We'll multiply 2 3s are 6, 7 4s are 28, or 3 5s are 15, 5 8s are 40. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. We are getting 3 by 14. Or 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 5 8s are 40. We are getting 3 by 8 here, right? To find in these two fractions which fraction is greater, we need to convert these two fractions to the like fraction. To convert them to the like fraction, we have to take the LCM of 14 and 8. 14 and 8, right? So 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 7 1s are 7, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56. So LCM we got 56 here. 3 by 14. To make this denominator 56, both the denominators we need to make them as 56. For that, I will multiply the denominator by 4, even the numerator by 4 only. So 3 4s are 12, 12 by 56, or 3 by 8, right? To make this denominator 56, I will multiply and divide it by the number 7. 3 7s are 21. So we can observe that these two fractions, in these two fractions whose numerator is greater, that is 21 is greater. So we can say that 3 by 8 is greater than 3 by 14, and or we can say that 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater than 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Here we'll write 21 divided by 56 is greater than 12 divided by 56. Therefore, this is greater now. 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater. Right? Then second question in fourth main. Second question, 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 or 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. 1 by 2 into 6 by 7 or 2 by 3 into 3 by 7, right? 6 1s are 6, 2 7s are 14, or 2 3s are 6 by 3 7s are 21, right? So 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, that is 3 by 7, or 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 2 by 7. You can observe that the denominator of the both the fraction is same. So there is no need of making them a like fraction and taking LCM of the denominator values. Directly we can say that by looking at their numerator place, 3 is greater. So we can say that 3 by 7 is greater, means 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is greater than this. We'll write 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. So 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is greater. Next, fifth question. Fifth question. Saili plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last saplings. Means In a garden, Shaili plants 4 saplings in a row. In one row, there are 4 saplings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Then the distance between these 2 saplings. Distance between first 2 sapling is, that is 3 by 4. And even the distance between 2 third, 4th is same only. Now we have to find the distance between first sapling and the last sapling. For that, let us count the gaps between 4 saplings. Right? How many gaps are present? 1 gap, 2 gap, 3 gap. For this fraction, we'll multiply by a number of gaps. So we'll get the distance between first sapling and second sapling. Right? So we'll start the solution. The distance between two adjacent saplings is, how much it is there? 3 by 4 meter. Right? Then number of gaps, how many number of gaps are here? 1, 2, 3. Number of gaps between saplings is how much? 3 gaps are there. Right? So to get the distance between first sapling and second sapling, we need to multiply the fraction 3 by 4 with 3. So the distance between first and last sapling is equals to 3 into 3 by 4. Now 3 3s are 9, 9 by 4. You can observe that the obtained fraction, it is in a, the numerator value is greater than the denominator. So we'll convert it into a mixed fraction. To convert it into a mixed fraction, we have to divide 9 by 4. 4 2s are 8. Remainder is 1. We are getting 2 integer 1 by 4 meter. So the distance between first sapling and the second sapling is 2 integer 1 by 4. Lipika reads a book for 1 integer 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Means every day Ritika will read a book for 1 integer 3 by 4 hours. Right? And to read entire book, she takes 6 days. Now we have to convert these days in hours now. That's what they have asked here. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Right? For that, let us begin the solution. Time taken by Lipika to read a book. How much time she has taken? 1 integer 3 by 4 hours. Right? 1 integer 3 by 4 hours. Then she reads the entire book in 6 days. Now we have to calculate them in hours. To calculate them in hours, we need to multiply this hour with the number of days. We'll get how many hours, means total hours she has required to read entire book. Therefore, total hours required is equals to 1 integer 3 by 4 into 6 days. 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 3, 7 by 4 into 6. I will simplify them here only. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So 7 into 3 will divide, right? 7 threes are 21 divided by 2. We can observe the fraction, it is a improper fraction. So we have to divide 21 by 2. 2 tens are 20. Remainder is 1. 10 integer 1 by 2 hours. She has taken 10 integer 1 by 2 hours to read an entire book. Next question, we'll move to the next question, that is 7th one. 7th question. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 integer 3 by 4 liters of petrol? Means in 1 liter of petrol, the car covers 16 kilometers. Here we need to find, using 2 integer 3 by 4 liters of petrol, how much distance it will cover. We need to find. So let us write the given information first. Distance covered by a car in 1 liters petrol, 1 liter petrol is 16 kilometer, isn't it? Then distance covered by a car in 2 integer 3 by 4 liters of petrol we need to find. For that we have to multiply this number of liters with the number of kilometer. How much kilometer it is covered? 16 kilometer, right? So 2 integer 3 by 4 into 16 kilometer will get, it is in a mixed fraction. Let us convert them into an improper fraction. 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4 into 16. Again I will simplify this number here only. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 11 into 4 we are getting, that is 44 kilometer. Therefore car covers or covered 44 kilometer in 2 integer 3 by 4 liters of petrol. This completes 7th problem. Next 8th problem. 8th problem. A. Provide the number in the box such that 2 divided by 3 into gives 10 divided by 30 here. We have to find the number, that number, multiplication of that number and this fraction is resulting 10 divided by 3. Then which fraction it is we need to find. Here to get the denominator 30, I will multiply 3 by 10 here. We'll do here rough work. 2 by 3 into 10, right? So we'll get 30. Yes or no? 3 tens are 30. And here to get the numerator part as a 10, I will multiply it by 2 fives are 10. I will multiply this by 5 here. So we are getting here. So the number is 5 by 10. Here also we have to write 5 by 10. In that second question, the simplest form of the number obtained in means we have to find the simplest form of this 5 by 10. How to find the simplest form means 5 by 10 we got is we have to simplify it. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. That is 1 by 2 is the simplest form. 5 by 10, simplest form is 1 by 2, right? Then B1, again same thing. Here also we have to find the fraction number, that fraction number and given fraction number resulting us the value 24 divided by 7, right? Which fraction it is, we need to find. 3 by 5 into, here 75 it is there, here it is 3 by 5, right? To get this 75, I will multiply the numerator by 15. So I will get 75. 5 into 15, 75. Again, to get the numerator as 24, 3 8s are 24. So we are obtained a fraction that is 8 by 15. Here also 8 by 15. The simplest form of the number obtained in. Again we have to find the simplest form of 8 by 15. We cannot find the simplest form of 8 by 15 here. It will not get divided by any table. So we'll keep it as it is. That is itself is the simplest form here. It is 18 by 15. Right? Okay, this completes exercise 2.3.